Hi family, so I want to help you out if you are doing paper packets and would like to go ahead and upload the assignments and all you have is a phone. It's really simple because Google has made an app for Google Classroom. So when you are in your phone, whether an iPhone or an Android, you're going to go to your App Store or Play Store and search for the Classroom app just by searching Google Classroom, and it pops up and looks just like it does on the computer with the little green screen. And so you're going to install it, or clearly I needed to update it. So once that is done and it is ready to open and install, it should show up and you can open it, and you will have to log in as your student using their username and password just like they do in Launchpad, using their at stu.neisd.net login information. And once they do, then they can get to My Classroom, and it should show up. If they're in more than one classroom, those will also show up, and you can click there. You can learn more, it'll teach you more, because Hangouts is also connected there, so they can join our Google Chats via the Google Classroom. So we can do that. And once we're in, then if you have an assignment you want to turn in, you're going to go to classwork, find the assignment that it matches. I tried my best to make the assignment match the name of the assignment. So if you're doing a math assignment and maybe you want to upload last week's math assignment, 2.3 is what it was called, order in numbers. In order to do that, you will click on there, and then all you have to do is just like in their Google Classroom, it should have at the bottom, it'll have, or in your student work, it'll have the add or with the plus sign, and in there, then you will take the picture and then mark and as done or turn in. So it's simple. It should look the same as it does on the computer, but if you don't have a computer handy or available, or if they did an assignment via paper and you want to just do a quick snapshot and turn it in through the app on your phone, it's just that quick and simple. If you need more help or have any questions for me, please let me know, and I can't wait to see you all soon. Thanks.